Hi, the review exercise 4, the varying interest. So this comes from the last section, the 3J. Okay, so the question, so calculate the accumulated value of the following annuity. So this is the 15-year annuity, and each payment amount is $30. So 15-year annuity immediate of the $30 each. And the annual effective rate is 2% for first 5 years, and the 4% in the next 5 years, and the 6% in the last 5 years. So when interest rate changes, so basically we have to evaluate the amount at t is equal to 5 and 10. Then finally, we calculate the accumulated value at 15. So here we have the 3 payments. So we have the 15 payments, but we have the 3 types of payments. So the first 5, and the next 5, and last 5. Okay, so say this as A, this as B, and this as C. And we calculate the accumulated value of A at 5. And we have to calculate also accumulated value of cash flow B as X sub B. Then finally, okay, so maybe accumulated value of XC here. Then finally, we can calculate this accumulated value. So AV is basically the total value of XA and XB and XC. But XA, XB, XC are at different time points. So we have to calculate the value at t is equal to 15. So that means accumulated value is basically accumulated value of A plus accumulated value of B plus accumulated value of C. And this is, okay, so A, accumulated value of A is XA, but the time point is t is equal to 5. So we have to accumulate the 10 years of interest. So that means from 5 to 10, that we have 4% interest. So 5 years of 4% interest, and 10 to 15, we have the 6 years of interest per year. So that means accumulated value of A is XA, X sub A times 1.04 to the 5th power times 1.06 to the 5th power. And the next one, accumulated value of B is XB, but it should accumulate the 6% interest for 5 years from t is equal to 10 to 15. So this is XB times 1.06 to the power 5, and plus XC. And what is XA, XB, and XC? XA is the $30 payment for 5 years and accumulated value. So $30, 30 times S right angle 5 at 2%. Then we multiply 1.04 to the 5th power and 1.06 to the 5th power. Then what is XB? XB is again the $30 payments for 5 years. But here, interest rate is 4% during this period. So this is 4%. Then times 1.06 to the 5th power. Then finally, XC. This is relatively simpler. 30 times S right angle 5 at 6%. And these amounts are calculated by BA2 plus, or even you can include the coefficients. Then the first amount is actually the 254.19, and the second amount is 217.45, and the last amount X sub C is 169.11. So in total, you will get $640.75. So in this way, we can calculate the accumulated value. So this is complicated, but the point is we have to evaluate the amount at each time point the interest rate changes.